Hey, Dan Passarelli here. One of the things we talk about a lot is setting up trades the most opportunistic way, right? If we're bullish, what's the best way to trade it? Buy a call, in the money call, out the money call, at the money call, long term, short term, bull call spread, bull put spread. There's lots of different ways to trade, this similar thing. And when I come across a really well thought out, well constructed trade, man, it just kind of gets me excited. I'm a little bit of a nerd like that. And I did come across one today. Maybe you saw it too on our Wingspread Genius scanner. Take a look right here. Now, as you know, I've been talking a lot about Wingspread Genius lately. I've been looking at them very closely, and there's been some pretty interesting trades in there lately. This one, I just love it. So this was in GameStop. This was the regular December, so that is December 15th. 17 and a half, 18 call butterfly for 4 cents. Now, what really jumps out at me with that? Well, look, there's 2 weeks until expiration. GameStop did jump up a little bit 3 sessions ago, pulled back a little bit. This trade reaches its maximum profit if GameStop hits $17.50 a share and is trading there at expiration. If that happens, this butterfly can be worth 50 cents max, right? You pay 4 cents for it. That means you can make, well, basically your maximum profit is 1,100%, right? 11 times your risk. That's roughly, that's pretty darn good, right? Now, is it going to be right at 17 and a half at expiration? I mean, I don't know. Probably not. I haven't really studied GameStop that closely, but that's not what's really important here. What's important here is that if it is, you can just have a extremely leveraged profit potential. Now, even if it's not right at 17 and a half, if it's somewhere within that range, basically anywhere above 1704 or below 1796, you end up with a highly leveraged profit. So, that's one of the things that I find really interesting about analyzing the Wingspread Genius is that you see how some of these professional traders are constructing their trades. And when you see stuff like this, it's no wonder why professional traders can be so profitable, because they just know how to set up trades the best way possible. Now, if you're interested in Wingspread Genius, we are going to be having a free online training next week, and I want you to register for it. And you can register and learn more about Wingspreads and how they work and how I scan for them with Wingspread Genius by going to this page that pops up right now. This is Dan Passarelli. Have a great weekend.